I am RB Acharya. I am a senior software engineer, one of the reputed oil-based company. When we bought this house in Brigade Cornerstone Utopia, so we thought of going with a premium brand for interior. So we've been to so many companies. So when we landed in Homzinterio, so we got a confidence like within our budget, within our scope, they will definitely deliver the things on time and on what we want. So then we decided to go with Homzinterio, and we got a good result. Two, 3 months of complete hard work and stuff. So the entire thing come up with what we are seeing now. So we are really very happy what we got from Homzinterio.
And the procedure right from the day one to the handover was so smooth, and the result is so amazing that we're glad that we landed up with Homzinterio. The entire team was completely hardworking, highly professional, and the quality that they have provided us is fabulous. If you can see the glass works, the detailing that they have provided us, I'm so happy to see that. So it is like our dream home is completely fabulously designed by them, and I'm all thanks to Homzinterio.
And they delivered on time as well.
Also, they did it within the time, and they are highly professional. What is the best thing is, what we had a long list of wants, and they have taken care of each and everything that I wanted for my house. That's the best thing they have done for me.
In between also we have made some minor changes, and they adopted everything, and they helped us and support.
We highly recommend Homzinterio. Whoever is looking for a premium interior design, please go with them. They are highly professional and awesome.
Yeah, overall thing, I would say 100 out of 100. They really done a fabulous job for us. Thank you
so
Homzinterio.
much.